number 1. What can you observe from the answers posted on the board? So, nakita. What answer are? Different. Okay, so we got the here 191. There is 1,300 with observation. So next, what will be the results if you round the answers to the nearest 100? Yes, Mark. 20. What distance of each group? What can you observe? Observe the function. Compare your measure or your distance from each other. Check your flaglets. Other than green group. Your other. Yes. Geraldine.
Although we have different distance, we arrive at the same answer when it comes to rounding it always nearest answer.
Okay, very good. So number 4, what are the factors for an accurate measurement? What are the factors for an accurate measurement? What are the factors? What did you do to arrive at your measurement? Yes, Edgar. The distance between the flagpole. Okay, another. Yes, Marimar. What? Angle of elevation. Clinometer. Okay, very good. So, fast. Do you know that we can still measure an object without using the clinometer? No. Said no. Okay, so can I make this? I have here an example. You said no, we can't measure an object without using the clinometer, right? So let's have an example. A tree casts a shadow of 12 meters long, where the angle of elevation of the sun is 25 degrees. How tall is the tree? So, who would like to try? In the board. Anyone? Yes, Sweeney.
Akala ko pag ako nag-drawing kasi walang paraw. Hindi na araw para sa course.
Maybe. Where's the 10 meter? Where's the 25 degrees? Where's the 10 meter? You said that a tree casts a shadow. So where's the shadow of the tree? Angle of elevation. Angle.